back upstate, and that means spring semester is about to start. So before my semester starts, I want to do a deep cleanse. I want to change my sheets, clean my bathroom, clean off my desk and everything. So I'm gonna start unsettling, putting my clothes away. I went to the home store and I got me a new shower curtain, some more floor mats, because the ones I currently have, they just won't get clean no matter how much I vacuum it, wash it and everything. So I got new floor mats. I also got a whole new bed set because I was tired of seeing the 2 bed sets that I had. So I just picked up whatever I seen there. They really didn't have a large selection, but that was the best one that I seen there, to be honest, because anything else, like race cars and stuff on it. So I got the calmest one I could possibly get. So before I get to the cleaning, decluttering, throwing everything out that I don't need anymore, I'm gonna start off by putting away my clothes. Because honestly, no, I lied. I'm gonna start with the shoes. I packed some sneakers to go back home with, my Uggs and everything, and to be honest, all I wore was my Nike slides, y'all, because they have fur, so my feet was warm. And I didn't really do nothing too much during the break that required me to wear sneakers. I'd rather been safe than sorry. I would hate to be home and have no type of shoes. So yeah, let's get started.
I don't need a like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You don't see I'm the lowest of the lowest. Only you can keep it like nobody knows it.
These are the last 2 boxes that's gonna go up here. Y'all, I don't need to buy no more shoes, no more nothing. If it got a box, I don't need it because I have no more space. I'm literally balancing these. One wrong pull and all these boxes is coming down. Putting boxes up here, that's a task because you gotta do it correct. One of those shoe boxes bump you in your head, fall down the wrong way, hit you in your noggin, you're gonna be upset. I'm telling you, it don't happen to me already. So we successfully got all the boxes back up there without anything falling on my head. Thank you, Lord. I'm gonna get started on this big old duffel bag. Honestly, I wish somebody could unpack for me, or I could just go like this and it could be done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick you guys back up when I'm done putting my clothes away. I'm not gonna record me putting my clothes away only because it's gonna take me too much time, because I wanna make sure that I have you guys set up the correct way and you guys got good angles. And I just wanna put this away so I can finish the rest of my task I have to do. So I'm gonna go do this and I'm gonna get back with you guys. All right, so I've got all my clothes in the drawers, as well as this little cubby down here. And the remainder of my sweatsuits and stuff is in the closet. You already know the shoes is up there. So the next task is this dusty desk. We're gonna declutter this desk and we're gonna make it look brand new.
Yeah.
Don't make me cry, say.
It's so expensive. Yeah. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin. Yeah. For what they say, for what they say, 500.
All right, so I just finished clearing off my desk. I put up all of my perfumes back up, put my bag down, got my Bible sitting nice, and I put my camera stuff down. This is what the desk is gonna look like. So if I ever come home from school, I got room to sit here and do my homework. So now we on to the next thing. All right, so definitely gotta redo this bathroom though. It looks a mess in here, but I was rushing. In my defense, the last day I was here, I was rushing, and I know I just always have to redo this cabinet down here. So we're gonna redo this cabinet. We're gonna clean the sink off, change the floor mats, because like I said, you see guys, like it's just it needs to be changed. clean the tub, change the shower curtain. Let's get it started.
You know the face feel like KK, and I know the city that we from, not a safe place. But I know you riding with your twin till we fade away. We used to have nothing to our names, still had great days. Always kept me umbrellaed up when the rain came. You tell me you want something, I will tell you same. Now when we come through inside this bitch, they gotta make way. Twisting up my fingers for my twin. You was always on go for the drama, dog. I would toe take somebody for your mama, dog. And they block disappeared, that's some karma, dog. You say you a dog, they roof, nigga, I'm a dog. When I need a friend, you my best friend. When I need a friend, you my only friend. Yeah, you my twin. You my twin, you my treasure, still twin. You my twin. You my treasure, still twin. You my twin, brother. When I need a friend, only friend.
Who can I depend on like you know one? What? In the bed, she get wicked with her parents, she be wholesome. Whoa. I don't show ID at clubs cause they know that I'm 21. Whoa. 21. Who would do the things we do for each other, nigga? No. Whoa. Would you die for me? Would you go at niggas' nest like a tie for me? Do the time for a crime you didn't do for me? Or do a crime at a time when it was loose for me?
I wanna tell you how I feel when I'm loaded. Oh, I would lay something down for you. I'll play a whole time for you. Spray the whole 100 round for you. Twisting up my fingers for my dog.
While the bleach and everything is sitting in the tub, I'm gonna change the floor mats. So this is what I got. It's a soft fur floor mat. It feels nice. You could tell it feels nice. Look at the quality, y'all. I got this from the home store. And this is gonna be the shower curtain I'm gonna put up. This was the closest I could get to matching it. I didn't want my color scheme to be too much off. But thought this was a concept. Just something a little different until the season changes again. So I'm gonna go and do this right now.
Say what, yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling. Scheming on you and your homies. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer Bay. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, up on the line. Say what. You know that I like it.
Alright, y'all. Sorry I had to clean the tub off camera. I didn't get to show you guys that because them bleach fumes was not to be played with. I got asthma. I will pass out. I could not breathe. They was too strong. But I got me this little Glade thing. I'm gonna just spray it for the bathroom. This do still smell like mad bleach in here, and I can't take that smell. Give me a headache, so. Sea mist in Cyprus. No, that actually smells really good. I like that. We on to our last task of the day. Changing my bed. I also got this from the home store, guys. So we're gonna go change comfort in my sheets right now.
Girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need. Ooh, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. And you know what's up. Baby, on you. And I'm wanting you. Tell me what's up. People find that I'm zoning right around 2 in the morning. Looking fly with the sundress on. Think I feel the phone coming on. Girl, you got me wide open. Waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't front. Taxi cheap, you know what I want. Say what, you know that I like it.
This was a task, y'all. But your girl finally completed it. This right here, this divot, whatever it's called, I never purchased one of those again, and I won't be purchasing it again. I'm thinking it's just a regular comforter set. No, I had to insert the thing in there. I know y'all see me struggling for mad long. I had to get up in it for me to put it in there correctly. But I'm not gonna lie, it's all soft and plushy. I kind of like it a little bit, but I rather my regular sheets and comforter set. But I didn't do too bad, y'all. For my first time, I didn't do too bad. We got the desk all clear. Yeah, y'all see my perfume collection. It's getting up there, y'all. Y'all see, it's new. Y'all know that. Y'all know that's new. But yeah, desk clean, new bed comforter, closes up, and to top it off, we got a clean bathroom, y'all. Clean bathroom, new floor mats, and oh my god, look, that's they just so soft. After I finished putting on my bed, I swept and I mopped my floor. I didn't get to do it on video for you guys because I just wanted to hurry up and finish. It's almost 11 o'clock, y'all. I've been doing this for a couple of hours now. Your girl is tired. I'm ready to go take a shower, and I gotta edit a video for you guys because today's Monday, which means that tomorrow's Tuesday, and your girl needs to upload. So with that being said, I'm going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you guys know when I post. And with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.